Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tracy.
I'm Vinnie.
And we travel the UK in our camper van, staying at campsites and doing well camp.
It's really hot.
And this week we are in
Leighton Buzzard.
And we're at Grove Lock Marina, or are we at
Grove Lock Caravan Park.
We were confused. I booked on Pitch Up and I paid £35 to stay here. And then we're also members, we're a complete twats because there's a Caravan and Motorhome Club. See our site on the same site.
But they're all lined up like MOT bays anyway, so we've actually got, for what was it, £6-7 a night more?
Yeah.
Far better location.
But it's quite confusing when you turn up because there's no signs for the Caravan
There's no signs.
Park. It's just all about the Caravan and Motorhome, and we'll show you a bit of our footage of our confusion.
Welcome to
Caravan site.
So this is the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
So I've got the gate code, but just go through it.
So it says Motorhome Club.
Yeah, turn right.
Turn right into Grove Lock Marina.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was in the marina. I thought it was at Grove Lock Caravan Park.
Yeah, is that way?
I don't know.
But it says,
I don't know where I'm going.
Because it says go through a gap number 10, but I wrote turn right.
Right, there's water ahead of us up there. Turn right where?
Where you were saying on the opposite. When we come in.
Turn around when possible, then take the third left.
Is it at the Caravan and Motorhome?
Yeah, but I thought we wasn't part of that.
I know, we're not.
After 100 yards, turn left. Then, at the end of the road,
recommend now?
turn right.
Turn right through a hedge. Look, there's the hedge there. There's the hedge.
Turn
You're
around
right.
when possible, then, at the end of the road, turn left.
I'm going to go with my gut instinct actually.
The road.
No, turn right in here, and then we leave number 10. Oh, right. But when you arrive, it's beautiful. What do you think to this pitch?
I love it. We're just in the corner. There's one more pitch just by the side of us, but no one's actually arrived for it, so happy days. Got a whole corner to ourselves. Lovely weather.
If you're looking for peace and tranquility, this might not be the place for you because you've got a train track. Which you want as well.
Oh, train.
You've got a main road and you've got Lutons and you hear some of the flights, so it's quite noisy. We don't mind it.
No, it's not too bad, is it? It is what it is.
Yeah. But we're on Grove Lock Marina on the, what's the canal?
It's the
Grand Union.
Grand Union Canal, yeah.
Grand Union Canal. We're the other side of Milton Keynes. So we'll take you down and show you around the site. But when you arrive, they give you this key. And this key will make Vinnie very happy. Let's go and tell you why. Let's go.
I'm in trouble because I've drunk all the beer.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Oh, now. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Hey, little darling, it seems like years since it's been there. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, now. Little darling, the smile returning to the faces. Hey, little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, hey, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, now. Hey, sun, 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 here it comes.
So they gave us this key and there's no need. We managed to get through the gate to the pub within about 30 seconds. Are you happy?
I'm still happy.
So this is a Fuller's pub set on the Union Canal, and the menu's pretty pricey, probably about £35 a steak, £22 for a fish and chips, but
Hence we're not eating.
we've got a barbecue. But this is a pretty special pub, especially when you can walk from your campsite straight to it on the canal. Pretty cracking. £4 eaten.
£4 eaten. Lovely. Cheers, Adam. This is good.
Cheers. Sip before you cheers me, baby.
Just gagging for that. Let me show you where we are. Ooh, not that way.
Let me check how many new subscribers we've got. None.
Hey, song, 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 here it comes. Song, 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 here it comes. Oh, now, song, song, song.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to walk you around the site and show you everything. Pick pitch 11 if you want to be in the corner with a table. So this is the main campsite and I'm going to walk you now to the CL site. So £7 cheaper for the night. We preferred it here even though we're members, but we did mess up, which is typical us. I've just found my favourite van. It's a Rimmer. Rymor or Rimmer. It's definitely a Rimmer. So the instructions are drive through the hedge, and this is the gap in the hedge. Vinnie yesterday said it was like an MOT bay. Let me show you the MOT bay. Tell you what we need to do. Go over to the toilet block and get a review. Vinnie, what's going on in the toilet blocks today?
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
So the instructions are drive through the hedge. Great quality camping tables. Wow. What have you got here, Vin?
Well, like someone had a bit of a live fire last night. So this says here, look, this is a communal area and available to all. Or if you want to use this area personally, you can book it at the Marina office, look. Frunkers of ducklet.
This is fabulous.
Look, yeah. So they must have had a roaring fire last night. That's still quite warm actually.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Nice, isn't it?
It's a really nice
Look
idea.
at the little view you've got there, look, that's mad. Oh my god. Regulational beer bottle opener. Everyone needs one of those in the garden. Lovely.
You need one of those to get
Frunk as a duck.
Frunk as a duck in the Linger Lounge. So whether you're on the CL site or the main campsite or you're a boater, I think you can all come here. It's literally a 2-minute drive to Leighton Buzzard or a half-an-hour walk, and that's your main historic market town. We're just the other side of Milton Keynes, so we live in Northampton. Milton Keynes is just down the road. Carried on driving a bit further and we've come here, and I think we're going to keep this one on the list because in the winter you definitely need local sites to come to more, and this is a winner. This is your Elson Point. And this is where you do your bins. And that's where Gillian lives. And literally less than a minute's walk to the pub. It's got it all. Mini Stonehenge. check-in time is from 1 o'clock and check-out is 11 o'clock. And you have to be here before 5 o'clock. If not, give them a call and they'll give you the gate code, because these are the main gates you come through. And when we cut through here, I think the worst pitch to stay on would be pitch 21, because it's going to get a lot of traffic from everybody. So I think the picnic table is a really nice idea. So pitch 22, if you want a picnic table. So literally I'm halfway. I'm stood here. This side, 32. This side, 25. Let me know which one you prefer. Let's drone the site. Let's go and find Gadget Boy. You right, Gadget Boy? Yeah. There she flies, little bird. We like being up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We can drone, do campsite reviews, and we've got the campsite to ourselves almost. There is a tiny little shop on site, but it will just sell you water, Coke, and I think that is it. You can't even get toilet roll, or milk, so don't rely on that. Good work, little bird, good work. So when you emptied the house in this morning, what was your experience?
Well, my experience was probably about 12-minute round trip. It was, well, it's just the opposite side, isn't it, to where we're parked, but it's no drama.
No drama. Get his arthritic feet walking. So these toilets are for the boaters and staff. You got the gold service there.
It's nice, I like it. Just a nice area, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Boat life or motorhome life? Me and Vinnie could do boat life. Oh, boats for sale. Let's take you in there, guys, and show you. Cheaper than motorhomes?
The dearest one I can see is that one at 64 grand, but they're averagely about 20, 30, 23, 43. 60 foot.
Isn't motorhome expensive then? Because we've just bought a new motorhome, if you didn't know. Arriving, it went into production
3 days ago.
3 days ago. And I googled, how long does it take? And the answer that Google AI spat out was from manufacture date to delivery, between 2 weeks and 4 months. So in 2 weeks or 4 months, we'll have a brand new motorhome. It's a lovely marina. Hobo.
What's your boat, right?
What, Derek?
No, scallywag.
I can't deny it though, I am a scallywag. And there's another scallywag. And there's a pig. It's different. So, what do you think? You happy with this?
I've got gold ears.
He's got gold ears.
I really like it here actually. I much prefer being on the normal campsite than the CAMC bit.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's worth the extra money.
100%. The weather's been on our side. It's quite an outdoorsy place. There's loads of picnic benches, barbecue points, all that and the rest of it. But just having that pub round the corner and the canal, it's a nice little stopover. Well done, Whiffy.
Love it, love it, love it.
Sheila, love it.
See you next week at 5 o'clock. Bye. It's
So next we're having a barbecue and Nelson keeps escaping. Right, you've got to go in now. I think we need to get a big truck of Stella Artois delivered to our pitch.
right. You got to get a truck delivered to. Say it again.
Get some beer delivered to the pitch.
Yeah, no, we're going to the pub.
Okay, we're going to the pub. Pub.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun.